Fell in love with the streets, but do I remember the beef? Where niggas couldn't even go to sleep. Now cut on the lights you can see. Yeah, I'm on the block like a street pole. Hot in the zip in my P code. Niggas so scary, won't see smoke. We blow up your spot like a C4.
What's up, YouTube? We back. Your boy LS needed some interior pieces. So it's pretty much the same car he got, different year though. It's a 3800 Rivi, 89. I think he got a 91. But yeah, we're gonna take a look. See if we can help him out. Yeah, that door's locked. Man, there's like a good 50, 60 people in this yard today. So I really don't ice come in this yard a lot, but then too many people know about it. And they be out here, man. So let's see. Alright, there's that one trim piece for the top. And look like that back piece is gone. Yeah, the back piece gone. Unless I find it somewhere in the car. But yeah, they got two pieces there. So that A-pillar, and then back there, I don't know, something's supposed to be there. Same thing on this side. And man, if you need a sunroof, I don't know if you got a sunroof in yours. Yeah, they got the sunroof in there. And then the front, there's no trim piece in the front, and you kind of just like kind of tucks in the front. So really, you got the right pieces. It's because the only trim in here is the ones you have that's broke. Got some lights on, we missing those. Some nice seats. The Rivi's broken off though. I think the steering wheel nice, it's covered. Decent cover though. You got that leopard tape action going on over here in the armrest. They got a Rivi there. Got that. This is the light you're looking at. Good thing you got the other one, because this one's cracked right there and busted over there. We're gonna pop these off and look at this light for you. Got a little motor for the antenna. And I'm looking for that key for you. And you want to see a key, let me know. Looking for a key for LS. I don't think they'll lift up. Hold on 1 second, let me pop that lock. Yeah, we back. So I mean, I didn't pretty much search this whole car for that key, and I'm thinking they got them, just because the pure fact that the caps are off. I thought yours was broken when I saw it like this, but I guess that's just how it is. I didn't see it on the floor anywhere, so I'm guessing either they got them or somebody got them. Because I didn't search this whole thing, and I didn't see no type of key for those hubcaps. So you might just have to go ahead and pay that 50, bro. I'm still looking at this light for you. Maybe that emblem right there. I don't know if you need that one. I got your full trim. Get the full piece for you. Not broken. You know, local don't break shit. But I gotta find like a box to even ship those things in. You know, I could just snap them in half like you got yours and send it to you. It's a thought that counts. But anyway, yo, I seen this option in LS Rivi. It must be a standard package. But whose mans is these, dog? Yo, is that like a electronic hood release, nigga? You just hit the switch and pop. That's some ingenuity, man. You know, you got the electrical tape around the conduit box with the light switch on there, and just hit them switches, cuz. Yeah, that shit's crazy. But yeah, I thought that was hilarious. I totally bypassed that when I was looking for that key. I don't know what that is. But yeah. I thought that was hilarious. That I'll show you that is. That might be my thumbnail, low key. But yeah, let me look at this light for you. Alright, let's be back. So looking at your car, this is how the wire is supposed to be. You got this plug here with the yellow, gray, and black on a disconnector over here on the far left driver's side. This is probably the plug you got with that bulb. And over here, it's actually 4 on this one. This might be the bulb. But this one goes into, there's a hole right here where these two wires look like a black and brown, go in this hole right here. And then you got this other big plug where you got like you got the 4 wires right here. Got 2 yellow, and I can't tell, this is black, that might be a brown. Yes, you got a brown, black, and 2 yellow wires going into this plug right here. This light goes over there, another light goes here. Look like a black and a gray. But anyway, I'm got these wires out for you, and then I'll send them to you so you can get your light working, bro. But anyway, this loco, I know you got this side working, so I ain't gonna worry about it. If you do, let me know. But yeah, just a quick video to show you how those lights supposed to be. Take a screenshot of it. But yeah, you got these 3 wires here: yellow, brown, black, like black and gray. This one is black and brown. Sorry, black and brown on that one. So 2 small lights is black and brown, and then your other lights are these 3, and then this one has 4. 2 yellows is the only difference on this light here. Alright, I'm out. Alright, other thing I want to show you, like, this would be your backboard for your headliner, and this one doesn't look like, I don't think they glue it. I think it's literally held in by your trim pieces. So like the back, I don't think there's a trim piece, and then the front, it didn't look like it had a trim piece. I could be wrong, but I think it's literally those 2 side pieces I just pulled out. Yeah, but let me know if you want them. Alright. Oh, before I go, so I got the trim for this right here. That one I couldn't get off. This one they broke, and I'm guessing that was the one from over here, where I don't know where the rest of it is. Let me give you a closer look at this light real quick though. So I mean, it's pristine all up in here, and then right here you got that crack, which ain't bad. I mean, the one you got is more pristine. Okay, so that little bulb is for his light right here. So that's the license plate light. You're wondering with the diagram, that's your license plate light on the side, on both sides, looks like. And you probably got one under there. Actually, no, you only got 2 lights for the plate, shining on both sides. So on this light, it's actually 4 holes. I don't know how many holes you had in your other one. I don't know if you had that 4th hole. So I guess you got your turning light. I'm guessing this is your brake light. This one, this might be another brake light, and then it's probably your license plate light. But I never see the car running, but I'm just guessing that's what it is. Anyway, this your boy Loco. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you want. Peace.